Posted something on Facebook and noticed a mistake later? Typos, wrong words, or missing details can look unprofessional. The good news, you don't need to delete the post. In this video, I'll show you how to edit any Facebook post easily. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and powerful Facebook tips to stay in control. Step by step, how to edit a Facebook post. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone and log in. This method works smoothly on both Android and iPhone. Make sure the app is fully updated for best results. Stay on the main screen to continue. Step 2. Locate the 3-line menu icon in the top corner of the app. This menu gives access to your profile and account options. Open it to reveal your personal navigation panel. From here, you can manage all your content. Step 3. Navigate to your Facebook profile from the menu. Scroll through your timeline to find the post you want to fix. This can be a recent post or something shared earlier. Once found, keep it in view. Step 4. Open the 3-dot options menu on that specific post. This menu contains tools to manage and update your content. Choose the option labeled Edit Post. You're now ready to make changes. If this tip is saving you time, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook and social media tricks. These small actions really help the channel grow. Step 5. Correct your caption, fix spelling errors, or update any information. You can adjust wording, tone, or even add missing details. Once you're satisfied, save the changes confidently. Your post updates instantly without losing likes or comments. Boom, problem solved. Your Facebook post is now corrected, polished, and professional. Mistakes happen, but knowing how to fix them the smart way matters. Editing posts keeps your profile clean, confident, and credible. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook tips that make your digital life easier. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and professional.